Hi everybody, it's Lyle and Becky day to day. Hey, guess we're trying to get cart rides to people. Go to the fair. Hey, go to the carnival. Huh? Look at the carnivals here at Woodgrove Mall. Hey. Okay, here, I gotta be legit here. I gotta hop up. Okay, everybody. There's what BB looks like. Okay. All right, everybody. Lots of love. Lyle signal, Becky signal. Big hugs, big hugs to all you Canadians. Hey, come on, get a cart ride. $5 a cart ride. Bye for now, everybody. Or if you need your luggage or packages hauled from to your car, I'll do that for you. Or all right, everybody. Have a great day.